How are you?
I'm good.
Good job. Are you hungry? Hungry?
No, I don't.
No, I'm not.
No, I'm not.
Are you sleepy? No, I'm not. Are you sleepy?
Yes.
Yes. Tired? Are you tired today? Oh, you need to take a nap every afternoon, okay? Alright, so tell me, how old are you?
I'm 7 years old.
Are you ready for the speaking test?
Yes.
Okay, make sure to speak loudly, okay?
Yes.
Alright, Peter. Let's start with the vocabulary words. Can you tell me what are you doing? I am.
I am eating.
Very good. What are you doing?
I am painting.
Painting.
I am sleeping.
Good.
I am dancing.
Very good. What is the spelling? Spell painting.
P-I-N
P-A-I.
P-I-N-T-I-N-G.
Good. What about dancing?
D-I-N-C-I-N-G.
Very good. Last one. Eating. Spell eating.
E-I-T-I-N-G.
Great job. Okay. Peter, do you have paddle? No?
No, I don't.
Let me think. Do you have basketball? Is this basketball?
No, I
What
don't.
is this basketball? Yes or no?
No, it's easy.
No, it isn't. What is this?
It's a soccer ball.
Soccer ball. Very good. Do you have baseball?
Yes, I do.
Wow. What is this?
It's a helmet.
Do you have helmet? Do you have or you don't have? No, I don't. Or yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Wow. How many helmets do you have?
I have 4 helmets.
Oh, many. What about baseball? Do you have baseball in your house?
One,
One.
two baseball.
Wow, very good. Okay, let's move on to the next part. What are they? They are
They are 3 markers.
3 markers and this?
They are 4 color pencils.
Okay, next.
They are 4 erasers.
Good. Next.
They are 6 pens.
Very good. Peter, do you have pens?
Yes, I do.
How many pens do you have?
7 pens.
What? Many pens. What about erasers? Do you have erasers?
5
You
erasers.
have to say, yes, I do. Do you have erasers? Yes, I.
Yes, I do.
How many erasers?
5 erasers.
Say the word 5.
5.
Do not say 5, okay? 5. Alright, let me think. Do you have markers?
2 markers.
Yeah, what's the answer? Yes, I do or no, I don't. Do you have markers?
Yes, I do.
And how many markers do you have?
2
Can you
markers.
say, I have 2 markers?
I have 2 markers.
Well done. And last one, let me see. Crayon, a crayon pencil or pencil crayons? Okay. Do you have pencil crayons? Yes, I do or no, I don't? Pencil crayons. Do you have?
No, I don't.
Oh, no, I don't. But you have crayons in your house. Crayons, yes?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. Now let's move on to the next part. Here, Peter, what is this?
Water.
And what is the beginning sound? What is the beginning letter?
Letter Q.
Great job. Nice one. Look at this. Which ear that has beginning sound?
Under.
Very good. What's the beginning letter?
Letter U.
Great job. Again. What is this?
It's a question.
What is the beginning letter?
Letter Q.
And what's the sound?
Sound. Quote.
Child. This one?
Letter O. Sound. Up.
What about only sound? What's this?
Kangaroo.
What is the sound? Beginning sound only, not letter.
Cat.
Yes, great. Kangaroo, very good. Now let's read and let's pair the picture. Okay, can you read this one for me?
Basketball.
Bounce the ball. Where is bounce the ball? Great. Here, can you read?
Draw a half circle.
Where's that? Now, I will point the picture and you have to point here, okay? This one.
Shoot the ball.
Where is it? Where should the ball? Where here? Where should the ball? Sorry. Yes, yes, yes. And great. Next. What's this?
Brush your teeth.
Okay, where is it? Perfect. Great job. Now, the last part, Peter, remember? You will present the Rate My Daily Routine. Okay?
Yes.
Are you ready to do that?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello, my name is Peter. I'm 7 years old. Here is my daily routine.
In the morning.
In the morning, I wake up at 6 and eat breakfast at 7 and I go to school is 7.
At 7, okay. I have lunch. I eat lunch at.
I eat lunch at 11.
Next. Go home. I go home.
I go home at 4. I like baseball. Play baseball.
I sleep.
I sleeping at
I sleep at.
I sleep at 11.
11. Let's say.
Thank you for listening.
Wow, goodbye. Wow, you did well. Give me a high five. Wow, Peter, you are improving. Okay, we're finished. Say goodbye to teacher now.
Goodbye to teacher Lee.
Say goodbye, teacher Lee.
Goodbye, teacher Lee.
Yes, okay. When teacher say goodbye to teacher, you have to say goodbye, teacher. Okay? All right. Goodbye, Peter.